Hello guys, how to be here. Welcome back to another video. And today we will talk about the Facebook ID disable. There are lots of people having disabled by the Facebook, and they are losing their IDs because of the Facebook rules and regulation. And there are many reasons why Facebook actually disabling their IDs. Like if the person is not actual or it's a fake ID, they will disable the ID. And also there are some reasons, like if you break the rules, like the community guidelines or others errors. And there are also some reasons, like if you misuse your ID, like the person that are using the Facebook is actually using the Facebook for other purpose, and the actual purpose isn't just reading the news feed and being social, or like a actual Facebook user what they do. And if you don't do like that, they will just disable the ID and they will take other steps to remove the IDs. So you can actually get your ID back, and there are some methods and you will have to follow the rules. Well, I'm telling you how you will just get your ID back, and you have to follow these rules. So first of all, you will have to do the same method you logged in your Facebook. Like you have to use your email and password to log in your Facebook, and then there will be another page pop up, like the actually saying that ID will be disabled within 30 days if you don't just verify the account. So you must have to verify your account within that time period, and then you can be able to use your Facebook. So you'll have to must verify your ID, and then you will be able to use the Facebook account. And for that you will have to just press the option in contact us. So while you will just press the contact us button, and they will just turn you in another page where you can just put your identity. And while you just press the contact us, and they will just let you put your identity. Like first of all, you have to put your email address. So while you put your email address, and will be another option, like you'll have to upload a photo of your NID and other documents, if they are valid documents like passports and others. So you'll have to choose the files from your folders, and you just have to upload the total file. And then there will be another option, like in the bottom part, where you will have to add the other infos, like name, your actual name, which one is used for your birth certificate, and as well as the your birth date and your Facebook ID name. And then you will have to submit all these information, and you will have to wait for 2 working days to get your ID back. If these are all valid, then you will have the chance to get your ID back. So this is the only method you can follow for getting back the IDs, Facebook IDs. So there is a main problem while you just searching for your May ID and other fake IDs, that you must have to be use only one ID, and if else you can't be able to use the IDs, because they will just let you use only one ID with one NID card, national ID card. And this is actually the new updates of Facebook. So they will just protect your Facebook account, and as well as they protect the users. So that's why they removing all the fake identities and all the fake accounts from the Facebook. I think this operation will be long lasting, and the Facebook authority will just continue this operation, and there will be the less fake ID in Facebook. So as recent past, the Facebook was very much overflooded by the fake IDs, and this is the very best initiative by Facebook. So I'm giving a very big thumbs up for Facebook, that they are actually removing the all the fake IDs. So that's all from today, guys. Hope you will all get the Facebook ID back, and hope see you all soon in the Facebook. So till then, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button for more interesting videos. So see you all soon, and see you all soon in the next video. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.